Hey, this is Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs. Hey, I paint monsters for a living. Come on with me. Hello, my people. This is Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs. I'm in studio again. Some people wonder where I work and stuff. As you can see behind me, I have a gigantic area. This building was built in '45 and was meant for cold storage. So the walls are 3 feet thick. They're brick, cork and brick. So, hey, it's a wonderful place to work. We got this with the house. And so it's been my studio for the last 14 years. Today we are working on Stephen's Nightmare, 6 canvases, 2 6x10s, and you can see that behind me. There's one there and one over there, and then 4 3x6s. And we're going crazy with them, so we gotta get those to him by next week. He is a home haunter that we've dealt with for a long time. So enjoy the transitions, pics, video, and hey, please subscribe, come on board, and if you'd like to support the channel, I do have a PayPal link in the description below. I'm gonna throw any amount so you don't have to sit there and do a monthly thing or something like that. I really appreciate it. Help me keep on making videos. We're almost to 900 videos, so we're pretty excited about that. And then after that, we will be doing a backdrop for the Roller Fox, which is a local skating rink. Our friends Jody and Ed do a lot of work there, and so we're going to throw down and help them out with their Halloween festivities. So thanks, people. We'll see you on the next video.